need to be aware of this. Because if we want to really build resilient and emotionally intelligent workplace cultures, we cannot ignore the hard reality of burnout. They found that the second highest driver for employee turnover in 2025 has been burnout. The World Health Organization has actually called it an occupational phenomenon. We need to pay attention because people are burning out. And when people burn out, everything starts burning out. Because our companies are made up of people. And people, we need to look after them before they burn out. Now, what does burnout look like? And I think it's so important for us to, for a moment, just stop and realize that this is not a personal weakness. This is a systemic problem. The pace that we are operating at is going too fast. Our bodies are capable of dealing with stress. But it's the continuous stress, the continual demand, with never ever having time to recover, that is getting the problems.